Hello, my amazing learners. Have you ever wanted to improve your English speaking, but felt stuck because you didn't have anyone to practice with? Well, here's the truth. You don't need a speaking partner to get fluent. In fact, some of the best English learners in the world have practiced solo, in their bedrooms, on walks, or while doing everyday tasks. The real secret? Smart habits, creative strategies, and a mindset that turns your daily routine into a language gym. Speaking English fluently is not about memorizing perfect grammar rules. It's about using the language consistently and confidently in real-life situations, even if no one is around to listen. This guide will walk you through powerful solo speaking techniques, all tested, fun, and highly effective. Each one is backed with real examples and stories to help you visualize your own progress. Get ready to unlock your fluency by using the one tool you always have with you, your voice. 1. Talk to yourself. It might feel awkward at first, but talking to yourself is one of the most powerful fluency boosters. When you narrate your actions or thoughts, you turn your brain into an English machine. This method trains your brain to think in English, improves sentence formation speed, and builds confidence in speaking. Speaking out loud simulates real conversation and strengthens your mental language connections. For example, while cleaning, you can say, "Okay, I need to dust the shelves. The living room looks better now." Or while choosing clothes, try, "It's sunny today, so I'll wear something light. Maybe this white shirt with jeans." One of my students once told me about losing her keys. She started saying out loud, "Where did I put them? Not on the table, not in my bag. Wait, maybe in my jacket pocket." At first, she felt silly, but soon she was naturally thinking in English. 2. Record your voice. Recording yourself might be uncomfortable at first, but it's one of the best tools for self-improvement. It helps you hear your own pronunciation, pace, and rhythm, things you can't notice while speaking. It builds self-awareness and helps you become your own language coach. When you play the recording back, you hear what others hear and can correct issues like unclear pronunciation or filler words. Try recording a daily 2-minute journal, talking about your day, or choose a topic like "My Dream Vacation." One of my students began by recording just 30 seconds a day. After 2 weeks, she shared a 5-minute recording about a funny bus ride, full of details, humor, and confidence she didn't know she had. 3. Read aloud with expression. Reading out loud isn't just for beginners. When done right, it trains your pronunciation, pacing, and intonation, especially if you read with feeling and emotion. It teaches you how English sounds naturally. You learn to emphasize key words, pause in the right places, and bring energy to your speech. You can read a news article as if you're delivering the evening news, or a children's book using different voices for each character. I remember a learner who read Harry Potter aloud each night, doing voices for Harry, Hermione, and Hagrid. It made her laugh and improved her pronunciation more than any textbook ever had. 4. Imitate native speakers. This technique is called shadowing, and it's a favorite among polyglots. You listen to a native speaker, then repeat what they say, copying every detail. It builds natural rhythm and reduces your accent. It's like singing along to your favorite song, only you're building fluency at the same time. Start with a short clip on YouTube or Netflix, listen once, then play, pause, repeat, copying line by line. One learner told me she shadowed scenes from the show Friends every day for a month. She began sounding more like Rachel, copying tone, speed, even timing for jokes. Her friends noticed her confidence soar. 5. Describe pictures or videos. Use your imagination. Look at a photo or watch a muted video, then describe everything you see in English. It helps you think fast and speak fluently without overthinking grammar. You learn to create sentences in the moment, improve vocabulary, and stay calm under pressure. Try describing a travel photo, like, there's a couple sitting near the Eiffel Tower. They look happy. Maybe they're on vacation. Or use a muted animal video to narrate, the puppy is chasing the ball, it trips over, and now it's chewing a stick. One student practiced with beach photos every day, describing waves, kids playing, and sunbathers. After a week, her speed and confidence shot up. 6. Use prompts and speaking challenges. If you often feel stuck or blank when you speak, prompts help get your thoughts flowing. Use daily questions to practice storytelling and build fluency. It removes the fear of, what should I say, and helps you practice real conversations, including past experiences, opinions, and advice. Try answering prompts like, describe the last time you felt proud of yourself. Or, if you had a superpower, what would it be and why? One prompt asked a student, what's your dream job? He spoke for 3 minutes about being a travel photographer, describing the places he'd go, the stories he'd tell, and how excited he'd be to wake up each day. His fluency grew just from that one session. 7. Create your own English world. The more English surrounds you, the more natural it becomes. You don't need to travel abroad. You can bring English into your home, your mind, and your daily habits. This turns English from a study subject into a living, breathing part of your life. The more familiar it becomes, the less you fear using it. Change your phone and apps to English. Write your shopping list in English. Keep a daily journal in English. Or talk to your pet or mirror. One student made a rule. No music unless it's in English. Soon, she was singing along, learning slang, and thinking in English lyrics. Her roommate laughed, but she felt herself becoming fluent, word by word. Final thoughts. You are your best practice partner. You don't need to live in London or New York to speak fluent English. You don't need an expensive tutor or a perfect conversation partner. What you need is the courage to speak, the curiosity to explore, and the consistency to keep going. Solo speaking practice is powerful. You control the pace. You choose the topics. You track the progress. And you, yes, you are your best teacher. So start today. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. Read out loud. Shadow your favorite actor. Describe your coffee. Reflect on your dreams. Build your own English world, one word at a time. Let your voice grow stronger. The world is listening from you. See you in the next one.